Education, as we know it today, is linear. There is no process of learning, unlearning, and relearning as things change. With about 3.5 million unemployed graduates from universities across the country and an overall unemployment rate of plus 35%, youths occupy about 65% of this, according to Statistics South Africa. There is a high mismatch of skills acquired by students and skills required by employers. There is also a lower level of industrialization within the country, which impacts exports, economic opportunities, as well as job creation. We are moving into a disruptive digital world underpinned by rapid advancement of technologies and digital economic growth. As AlgoAtWork Robotics Academy, our vision is to develop and prepare the next generation of industrialists, engineers, and entrepreneurs to compete in the ever-changing and demanding global markets. Our project missions are as follows. 1. Introduce 8 to 14-year-olds to mechatronics and software engineering and get them coding in languages such as Java, C, C++, and C#. 2. To unlock social and economic potential by creating an environment of disruption and futuristic thinking. 3. To give trainees and incubators ample space to be themselves, to experiment and explore in order to identify societal problems themselves and develop solutions. Lastly, to introduce open-mindedness, creativity, collaboration, and embracing diversity for societal and economic advancement.